Hello, I'm Malcolm Kettle from Interact Technology, and I'm here today to talk about the Polycom Trio 8800, the associated Visual Plus unit, and the camera. In this instance, it's a Logitech 9300E that comes with the entry level version. There are other models of camera available with greater zoom and controllability should you need it. Right, the Polycom Trio 8800 I'll start with first. It's a multifunction device in as much as we can use it for Skype for business, we can connect to other video products of ours like BlueJeans, Zoom, and you can use it as a telephone in the VoIP SIP environment as well. It needs a network cable. In this instance I have a PoE cable which provides power to the unit, as there are no power plugs required for this at all. So that will now start to boot, and I'll show you a bit about the Visual Plus unit. Visual Plus unit has HDMI on the back, two USBs, one of them is going to be used for the camera shortly. This also has an RJ45 network connection, which again needs to provide PoE. There is a sound output if you have speakers or an amp or whatever, and then there's a Kensington lock device on there as well. As I say, the camera is just a regular USB camera. So if I connect this up, I can connect it to my, again, PoE cable here. I'm also going to connect HDMI into the device, which is connected to my screen, and also the camera. I'm going to connect into the USB port on the back here. Okay, so that's now starting up. As you can see, that's obviously the video signal that's coming from here, and these two units pair across the network. So I'm on these, we'll get individual network addresses, and I'll show you how to pair the devices shortly once they've started. Okay, what you'll find is the Visual Plus is now starting. It's going to pick up a network address shortly. Once it has, because it can't see they're not paired because they're new devices, it will give me instructions on how to pair the two items. Okay, so here we go. It's coming up. One button I didn't mention, you'll see, I don't know if you can pick up on the camera, but this light here is flashed on there. That's the actual pair button as well. Okay, so we get the instructions. It's a three-step process. So tap the pair button on the Visual Plus. It's now blinking a lot faster. On the phone it says go to Settings, Advanced and Network Devices, which I'll do now. Settings, Advanced. It asks me for the password, which if it hasn't been changed, the standard password is 456, and Network Devices. And the other option is pair with new device. So now if I push that on here, it started blinking faster, and on here it tells me to look for, it's the end of the MAC address, which is a unique MAC address of the unit, FCA B76. That's come up on here, so I just choose FCA B76, give it a bit of information about it, and then I choose pair. Okay, and it now says to complete the pairing, press the pair button again. So that's now blinking faster. It's now gone green, okay, which means we're now paired. And we've also come up with the standard splash screen we get for the video, and as you can see, the camera's come on as well. Again, there are a few options. It's quite a complex device, but we'd be happy to help you configure it if you want to speak to your account manager at Interact. Telephone number is 0345 873 110.